Mga bata, madumi nga lang. Start na tayo. Ayan na. Asa yung mga boys? Ayan na yung mga boys. O ayan, natakitay-tay. Walk, walk. Ayan mga Exodus.
Hi,
Yan, brother na eh. Matagal ka na wala. Nagliwalig ka rin.
So you know again, the speed is the most important thing. It's really not the moves. I want you to keep moving at the beat, at the speed that I keep the movements going. So anytime one of the movements maybe getting more challenging or confusing, remember that walking is the secret to
Macho dancer.
Yummy talaga. Sexy, yummy.
Super lolo. Ah, wala, di ba lolo? Wala apoy.
just easy, get those legs ready. Temperatures go up. You'll feel really good in the full range of motion. All the joints feel good. When you just give it a little movement.
Galaw ko, galaw ah.
Juice
Wala, may duty nga.
feels good. When you're moving.
Ano? Salamat sa magkagapon.
Hindi, ba't ikaw hindi ka sumama?
Ay, naku, ano sa kain ko doon?
Ay, ba't tatlo lang partner mo? Ikaw wala ka doon.
Di ba pala lolo si ano?
Ready? Knees up right here, guys. Knees up and knees up. Knees up, knees up. Remember, long and tall. We want to think up from the hip up to the shoulder. Long and
Wala.
tall.
Bukas meron kayo.
Ano kaya ikaw? Dito na pa.
That deep muscle layer, if you
Buwag ka lang.
you got it. You got a strong core.
Saan ako daw
Stable core.
Weng! Weng! Doon ka, mamaya! Patok!
4 easy steps. Now we're standing up. Here we go.
Kaya kaya naman eh.
Two up and two back. Here it comes. So walk forward for 2. Back up 2 steps. Here's 1. Here's 2. Back up. 1 and 2. Good. When you can move the body around in all the directions, all the muscles get involved. So a traditional walk doesn't use as many muscles.
Yay, surrender!
And that's what I love about our program. We
Surrender siya!
all the muscles involved. All the many directions.
Ah, tak yun! Bakbakan kami noon!
That's how you get fit.
Oo!
One more time.
Yung mga pa?
Step out and again, just a little bit more. There you go.
Matibay na natuhod si Emil eh.
All the moves coming up.
Paano ba? Pangkabuhay sa dugo? Buhay lang sa dugo yan.
And 3 and 2, just touch the floor, tap and tap. Good, just sit down in a little bit lower, just get the feet working. Good job. 8, 7, 6, and 5, 4, 3, back to walks, 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 walk. Nice. Hey guys, we're gonna squat to the floor with your arms. All you do is this. Sit down in your chair and pop up. That's it. And sit and pop up. That's it. Now, look at this. A little lateral motion here.
Hindi ako tumingin.
Just a little bit. Don't fall over.
Sa baba ka lang lagi, no? Kasi nakikikiyam ka. Bawal nga tumingin sa baba. Sa taas lang. Sa baba lang nga. Sige, sa taas. Kaya pala mali-mali ka.
Now we really start to get to the heart rate. Build that heart rate up when we need it. So
Nahuhuli ka ba, kuya? Nahuhuli ka. Talaga lang mata.
Totoo talaga. Yung position.
Yung tinanggal yung ano to?
Tinanggal niya.
Gawin mo kayo!
Good. Arms are down. Power walk. Knees to left, nice. 4 and 3 and 2. Now we got the knees. The knees come up strong. The trunk is tight and strong, so I want your alignment even straight up. Remember, don't tip back. Stay long and tall. Hands on your hips. Call in your rotator muscles. So that's something that you have to do. Is change your actions with your
Ay, walang pante. White short. Nakakahulugan yan. Magliliit ka.
Baka naman sa kagulan mo. Nandito na sa
Kaya pinatas yun. Lumiliit na yung waistline niya yan.
kasunod.
Namudulas na.
Kasunod, magsusin natin sa mahaba. Anak to. Kasi, pagkapit ka niya, bumaba na.
Very nice. Good. Kick back.
Dapat naman sa likod ng buhuyo.
Kick back. It's all the way. So 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Walk, 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 walk. You feel that heart rate going up?
Oh, sabi ni Karen, hindi siya malilig. Wala pa. Late na naman anak ko. Ayan si Karen! Karen!
Super nanay, picture.
There's so many benefits to fitness walking. Enjoy it. Good. Upper body, ready? All we do is lift up, lift up,
Picture.
lift up, lift up. Raise all the way. Full extension, reach, reach.
Picture.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Arms are down, power walk, nice. Woo. Kicks are coming, guys. 4 and 3 and 2. Tight tummy before you kick, kick, and kick. I think before my leg flies, I tuck my tummy way back. Belly button to the spine. Nice. And long jump. Right now, guys, reach your feet. Every time a foot comes up, reach and reach. Come on, real strong. Real strong. Give it a tummy tuck. Every time you kick, tuck, 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 tuck. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Walk, 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 walk. You got it. Nice. Move around, little guys. 2 up and 2 back. Ready? It's so funny. I turn around. They're funny. And 4, 3, 2 counts up and back. Here we go. It's 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. And we woke them up with that little clap. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 2. Come on, it feels good to move around. Put those muscles in motion. Back for 2. For 2. 1, 2. It's such a good brisk pace. And 2 and 2. Last time, up and back. 1 and 2. Good, stay right here, power walk. Four more, here's 4, 3, kick back, now let's go, kick back and reach out straight ahead. Nice. And give me a few more and then we'll pull back. 2 more. Pull back now, here we go, pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Walk, 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 walk. Always a walk. Nice. 4, 3. Hey guys, start with a simple side step, then we'll go to skaters. 4 more counts. There's 4, 3, 2. So the side step, get that leg working first. You got it. Just a few more. All right, now, so a skater is simply tap behind. Here it comes. Step, tap. And look what happened. Naturally, my arms came around to balance me. So I'm working on a little balance and coordination, but that rotation is all waistline. Tuck your tummy back. Give your waistline a workout. Go. Come on. Step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. Step, tap. Got it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Skater na, di ba?
You got it. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Nice.
Wala yung skater ah.
Nice.
Oh, hindi.
Nice. And 4, 3. Single knee lift. All you do is lift one, then the other. These are singles. You know what that means? Double comes up soon. Not yet. Open up your feet and right if you're going to need the balance. Touch your hip, touch your hip. Here's 4, here's 3, here's 2. Doubles here now. Double. Here we go. There you go. On the side. Come on. Go. Get all the muscles involved. Go. I want you to tuck your tummy back and get the arms a little higher now. Higher arms. Go. Come on. Let's go. 1, 2. 1, 2. Come on. Work today. Work hard. I'm so glad you made the time. And 1, and 2, and 2. Walk, 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 and roll. Upper body, reach, 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 reach. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. We're going to change the arms. Push to the front. Push, 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 push. 4 more. 4, 3, 2. Walk, walk, walk. You got it, guys. Step, tap, 2 forward, 2 back. You got it. Come on. Come on. 4, 3, ready, and give me feet, guys. I still need the back. 4, 3, 2. I got it now. Let's go. It's step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. There you go. Just tap. Step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. You got it. Just get those feet walking. If anything feels a little bit, you know, uncomfortable.
Hi.
Just
Picture.
step, tap. Step, tap. Step, tap.
Nanguhuli ako na. Ay, si Mang Emil.
You got it. Nice, nice, nice. Open up those feet. Kickbacks for 4, 3, 2. Lift the heel. Here it comes. Lift up. Lift up. From the hands to heaven. Stop being thankful. There we go. Here's 4. Here's 3. Get ready to pull down. Now it comes. Now 4, 3, 2. Keep going. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Walk, 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 walk. You're walking. Walk.
Dito mga sexy.
Just start out with the basic. Get your feet working first. Together, out together. 4 more. 4, 3. Turn it into a skater. Skater, and here's the rotation. Carol, you feel that in your waistline?
Mga ambon.
Change position. That's all that happened. And now you've got all those new muscles working. 2 more. Walk, 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 walk. Wow. It's a fast on your feet. It's so nice. Pick up those feet, walk, 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 walk. All right, a little change to the beat. Walk, walk, walk. You got it. That pace. Nice. Good job. All right, now we're gonna take the arms up. We're gonna take them out. We're gonna take them down and then out again. So the whole pattern. You can watch it at home. Join us when you're ready. I'll provide 4, 3. Right now, guys, 2 feet like this. Go up, out, down, and back out. Now come on, up, out, down, and out. That's it. Go up and out and down and out. Good. Up, out. Good. Down and out. Straight up. There you go. And out. Here's up. And out. And down. And out. Here's up. And out. And down. And out. Up. And down. Down. And out. Last round. Last round. Hang on, guys. Keep a good power walk. 5. Knees up and coming down. Ready? Knees up right here. Knees up. Knees up. Hands to the hips. Bring it around.
Apat-apat yan.
Ano yung apat yan?
Kasi di pa.
Back to those. Now come 2. And 2 other side.
1,
2 and 1.
1. Dalawa lang.
1. We're going even farther. We're going to go to 4s. Not yet. I'll tell you when.
Bilangin mo pag ako.
1. Give me one more second for 2. Okay, guys, let's do 4 on this side. 4.
3,
2. Move to the other side.
3,
2. Other side. Let's go.
4,
3, 2,
1,
and
4, 3,
1 more set. That's all. Come on. 3. Make it tight. Good switch.
4,
3. Walk, walk, walk,
1.
walk, walk. Nice, everybody. 2 up, 2 back. Ready? Walking strong. Walk. And back. 2. Let's go. 1 and 2. Back. 2. 1, 2. Back. 2. And 2. And 2.
Pumalagpak ka.
We're gonna add another second step. I'll tell you when. Not yet.
Para mamatay ang lamang sa linig.
Okay, now add double side step. Go out together, out together. Here we go. Go back up. Up. Nice back. Double side. Out together, out together, out together. Here we go. Up. 1, 2, go. And 2. Double side step. You got it. Out together, out together. Up. And 2.
Huli ka.
Moving around in all the directions. I love it. So good for the body. Good for your coordination. Good for your balance.
Pabalance ko eh.
2. Let's go.
Ball lang ang diyan.
And back.
Later. Mamaya. After dito. Ah, si Ana. Ay, si Ana. Itaas ito.
1, 2, 3, tap.
Dahil pa ano ba?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Guys. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 and tap. 1, 2, 3 and tap. 2, 3 and tap. 2, 3 and tap. Come on, shoes. Get this on. We were so happy to see our bright shoes when we walked into the game. 1, 2, 3.
Wala siya kahapon eh.
2, 3 tap. 1, 2, 3
Hindi, doon niya sa lakad namin. Kaya wala siya
There you go. Because walking shoes are the key to life. Just push those arms. Push. You know why? Because fitness walking will carry you through a life. Don't you be without your fitness walking shoes up. Okay? Push and push. Push. Push the body. Push arms. Tummy and really extend.
Good job kayo, okay?
Again. Hey guys, side steps and then we're gonna put a little twist to the feet.
Yung bike na kahapon, live na live yan eh.
And 3 and 2.
Bike niyo yan yun?
Step out this way.
Face to face? Ano?
So skaters were a way to put the toe behind it and then you have some rotation. This time it's heels to the front.
Parang gaya mo ba?
Different guys, maybe a few more. 4, 3, 2. Now heels to the front. So you step, heel, step, heel, step, heel. It's the same as the because So what happens is you rotate it kind of, your arms kind of fall off, and now you have a lot more muscle going on. Step. Step. Heel, step. Heel, step. Heel, step. Heel. 4, 3. Walk, walk, walk. Good, good, good. Nice, nice, nice. Now, pick up those feet. Hey guys, we're gonna move around a little. 2 up and 2 down, and then we're taking those corners. Yeah, Nick, I'm coming back now. 4, 3, ready, 2 up like this. 1 and 2, back up. All right, now, off to this corner. Go. 1 and 2, back up. 1, 2, other corner. Let's go. 1 and 2, back up. We're going back up the middle. 1 and 2, good. 2, you got it. 1 and 2, nice. Other corner.
Corner, kaliwa.
1 and 2, and down, and 2 other corner. Arms push to the front. Here we go. Push and push and push and push. Come on. Every minute you keep fitness walking. You build endurance in your body. Your heart gets strong. Your bones get strong. Your muscles get strong. Come on, hang in there. Go out there. 4 more counts. Here's 4. Here's 3. Here's 2. Walk in again. Walk, walk, walk. You got it. It's the pace and the beat. Beat, beat, beat. Nice. Hey guys, a little cha-cha. All you do is the actual beat is you step 2 times and run for 3. It's watch it and join us anytime. 4, 3. I like this, guys. It's there you go. Step, step. 1, 2, 3. Step, step. 1, 2, 3. Step, step. 1, 2, 3. Step, step. Step, step. Step, step. Step, step. 1, 2, 3. Cha-cha. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here's 4.
Para kayo manok na.
Parang yung manok na nilita na isa.
Para kayo manok na ginagalaw niya.
Kaya join na kayo. Libre. Para sa lahat.
Kita ka lang ng shit, kaya hindi ka napagod eh. Napagod siya sa ganito kasi walang shit.
Baka yung salamin mo, may ano na yan ha? May huwaga ba?
Ata pa yun eh. 29, 28.
28.
28 lang yun eh. Oo nga.
Hindi ka obra doon. Asawa ng pulis. Asawa ng pulis.
Pulis sa bantok.
Eh, sindalo ka lang. Eh, alam mo naman pulis, matulis.
Oo, pulis-pulisan.
Pulis karakter.
Order naman. Order naman na kuya Bel.
Ayan,
Ayos na kuya Bel. Middle. Dalawa lang yan. Middle. Reach all the way through those fingertips in a big extension. Come on. Tight tummy.
Maganda yung mga nakapag-energy yan.
Grapevine coming up. Four walks. 4, 3, 2. Grapevine right now. Grapevine. Here it goes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Step, cross, step. Step, cross behind. Step, cross behind. Step, cross, step. Step, cross, step. Get up and land on the feet. Land on the feet. Go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 4, 3, 2. Walk, 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 walk.
Ah, dalawa oh. Sino yung dalawa?
Jane, saka si Johnny. Bumabalik ka.
Go, Mire.
Namatay na si Juan. Wala na lang siya kaintay. Matay na. Bata pa siya. Sige.
Going up and out. Up and out. Up and out. Up and out. Here's up. Here's out. Here's up. Here's out. Arms. There you go. Front raise, lateral raise. Front, lateral, front, lateral. 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk, 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 walk. We're always walking. Wow. Always walking. That's what I love. Raise them up high, guys. Reach all the way through the fingertips. Real strong. Keep those feet walking strong. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Walk, walk, walk. Side step coming back. Ready? Side step right here. Here we go. Out together, out together. Heels to the front, coming up. Nice. I love it. Energy. You still got that good energy, guys. Good. Now, here comes the heel, everybody. Heel down. Heel down. Heel down. Heel down. Heel down. Heel down. Heel. 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 A little rotation. Arms come around. There you go. Arms come around. They give you balance, but they also help that waistline. Get in there. Come on. We really do. You know what? Listen, one of the most important things we do for our good health is keep our waistline trim. Listen, that's the dangerous area. When you're gaining weight and there's extra weight in the middle, that's the stuff that can get our health really out of control. 4, 3, 2, walk, walk, walk. Belly fat complicates every condition. Oh, I hate to say it like that. It sounds so serious, but you know it really is. If we can just reduce a little bit into the waist, your health can improve dramatically. Burning a lot of calories does it. Sculpting, using strength, it does it. We're doing it all today. I love it. Walk, everybody, to the beat. It's a fast pace, 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 pace. It's walk, 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 walk. Knee ups, 4 and 3 and 2. Knee ups to end like this. Knees up, knees up. Just stay tall, stay tall. Stay tall, everybody. 4, 3, 2. Walk, walk, walk. Nice, nice job. Heel down. Ready? Just the heels like this. Heel down. Heel down. Heel down. Heel down. Heel down. Heel down. That's it. You gotta get that. Breathing back to normal. 4 and 3 and 2. Walk, walk, walk. Again, walk. and walk. Nice.
Hindi naman nga dito pinagpapalagay.
Easy, guys. 4 and 3. Little wee side step, not real big. Keep it easy. Breathing has to come back to normal. Heart rate comes back to where it was in the beginning. So that's called a recovery. That's your goal, is to recover quick. Fit people do recover quick. If you're a beginner, don't worry. It's going to happen to you. Your heart rate is going to come down quick. Your breathing comes back to normal at the end of the workouts as you get more fit. Don't you worry. Be patient with yourself. All you got to do is keep showing up. Believe me, that's what we did. And that's how you get to the point where you feel strong and you can get through workouts. Don't ever get discouraged. Walk, 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 walk. Every minute that you challenge your body, I promise you, it brings you back health results for your life that are so precious. Your health is everything. It's everything. Easy walk. 4. Little kicks, guys. Ready? Just kick right here. We kick and kick and kick and kick. Here's 8 and 7 and 6 and 5, 4 and 3 and 2. Easy walk right here. Easy. Good. Heart rate back down.
Water break, water break. Break. May instructor tayo.
Meron tayong volunteer na
Meron tayong volunteer. Naghanap pa isa. Ano trabaho ko yan dati? Ano yan? Alin?
Doon siya, oh. Sabihin mo doon para makita. Hindi siya, dapat doon siya patong.
Kakaunti naman tayo eh.
Tulad nga po.
Dito rin ba? Kakaunti naman tayo. Pwede na sigurong...
Mang Ada.
Dapat doon ka tulad nga po. Hindi ayun.
Saan doon?
Oo,
Opo,
patong ka
parang
doon para makita
nakalahat.
ka namin lahat. Oo, doon ka.
Ni-request mo.
Para
Para din sa harapan.
Oo, pa ganyan na.
May wagan yung salamin. Meron tayo volunteer. Zumba. Soccer. Woo! Ayan! Mga bata! Sugod! Ulan lang yan. Zumba tayo. Ulan lang yan. Zumba tayo. Energy! Pagod din. Okay, Milo. Ulan lang yan. Zumba tayo. Volunteer GI. Picture. Mga souvenir ninyo. Oh, picture. Video picture to. Santa Claus yun eh. Ang galing pala ni ma'am eh.
A long time coming, but we here now. And we about to set the roof on fire, baby. Oh, you better get yours, cause I'm getting mine.
Hey, hey, hey! Maulan, kaya watak-watak ang mga dancer. Maulan, nasumba. Meron nagtatago ron. Picture. May nagtatago. Nagtatago sa puno. Ano? Dalawa pa? Dalawa pa? Bah, may hirit pa.
Kasi mayroon po akong lang sa kanila. Kailangan mo lang pakiba.
Hala. Ambon lang. Ano, dalawa pa? Magpayong na lang kayo habang susumba.
Payong daw habang nasusumpa.
Magpayong kayo habang susumba.
Hello!
Ang galing ni ate.
May GC ka dito?
Aba, meron po, meron. Cosmos Aero. I-add ko kayo mamaya. Cosmos Aero Team. Ada.
Jonasa.
Ay, ano ko na lang.
Baka may nakakuha pang Bluetooth.
Admin! May ano nga, di ba? I-add mo si, ano, si Ada.
Yung Bluetooth.
Yung instructor natin.
Dapat tanggalin yung Bluetooth niya.
Paki-add mo nga.
Hindi maano yan.
Nag-video ako eh.
Mamaya.
Ah, sige mamaya. Ay,
I-setting mo muna.
dalawa admin natin eh.
Hanapin mo yung Thunderbox.
Admin din yan si, ano, Jel. Admin din yan.
Dalawa silang admin.
Oo, dalawa silang admin.
Pero
Ayun na. Ayun na. Ayun na nga. Maganda din yun kasi relax yung ano niya. Tayo mapagod.
masarap yung ano.
Kaya mga tamad-tamad dyan, di ba ng tamad, di naman pagod.
Kami tayo. Ay, ang tigos! Nakahatiin ko sana ang tigos, sinahatiin.
Lunukin mo na lang.
Ako dyan, grabe naman ka nakasubo.
Ay, thank you. Thank you sa biyaya.
Matigas daw. Pero gusto mo matigas. Ulit pa oh. Matigas.
Ano, matigas?
Ay, sabi mo gusto mo yung matigas.
Ay, naka-record.
Cosmos Beauty Leaders.
Yan.
Sexy Leaders.
Panonorin niyo sa Palatok TV. Napanood niyo na ba? Napanood niyo na ba?
Magano tayo?
Puro copyright eh.
Bayad na tayo.
Huwag lang tatanggalin. Huwag lang tatanggalin mga collection.
Pero kasi ano, na ganyan ay
Familiar ko yung
Hindi ko lang alam. Kasi sabi lang sa anong coach ng ano, ng Hasa Emplo, hinahanapan daw siya ng lisensya. May lisensya daw yan.
sino?
May kinausap ako ano, coach. Kadyot, kadyot! Maraw na! Hanggang tanghali tayo rito.
From the start. Double. Dalawa pa.
This is how we made our workflow better than ever with Monday.com. It gave our team one centralized workspace where we could easily
Di
manage.
pa kayo pagod eh, di ba? Hindi pa kayo pagod.
There's someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time, darling. Just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes, you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms. Barefoot on
Against the light.
grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said your love to pass, I whispered underneath my breath. You heard it, darling. You look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time, darling. Just hold my hand, be my girl, I'll be your man. I see a future dancing in the dark, you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, surface, darling, you look perfect tonight. Dancing in the dark, you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person. She looks perfect. I don't deserve it. You look perfect tonight.
O, prayer na.
I love you, Lord.
Hindi tayo tomorrow. Si Jay. Si Jay pala, yung unang instructor natin.
Gulay.
Yung titipid ng gulay. So, wala tayong sponsor tomorrow. Kaya magpo-contribute.
Wala tayo sponsor bukas. Dito tayo sa volunteer kay ma'am. Kay ma'am Ada na tayo volunteer.
500 and then yung ilan yung nag-join, nag-participate.
Volunteer si Ma'am Ada. Siya na lang.
Volunteer.
Oh, volunteer. Swing matter.
Sa ibang araw.
Bukas sa buli ako. Wages akin. Order ako ng...
Yung contact natin sa Friday.
Katrabaho dati.
Celebration ng birthday at
Hindi naman kapitbahay.
Ito.
Anak pa.
Kapitbahay. Ilan?
Street.
Well, surprise ha! Irrigation 30 pesos para sa cake ni Admin.
Ah, so.
Para sa Friday.
Contribution naman para sa cake niya. Kahit hindi na kayo mo. Pero, ha?
Saturday
Eh,
regular.
ano na sa GC, pababasa ko.
Oo, ma'am.
20 pesos. Bigay sa akin yung fried cake. Yung pinakamalaki. Pwede na ngayon. Magpa-20 lang naman. Pero sa mga doon dyan 500.
Yung malaliit 500.
Birthday ni Kuya Emmy ngayon.
Baka sabihin may
Celebration birthday ni Kuya Emmy.
Para magkain ko lang.
Hindi nga, layo pa.
Kasama niya sa pagkain. Tapos susumbad ang sa bagong gawang may gusto lang
Volunteer lang na walang ano, walang pilitan. Para sa cake ni Admin.
April 12.
Bukas na kayo. Sige. Simplihan na naman yung bigay ang mga kasama. Kubayad kayo.
Eden po, ay Angel po. Every Tuesday po tayo. Sige po. Hindi na tayo mag-ano, hindi na po tayo mag-aero. Zumba na agad. Kaya niyo ba 1 hour? Aero muna.
Mas maganda, aero din tayo. Yun, no?
Sige po. Yung 30 minutes sa inyo. Thank you po.
Tagal pa kasama siya sa walking. Jogging.
Attendance tayo, attendance.
Attendance pa? Kasi
Ano
attendance pa.
sama? Dito sa ano, picture.
Ah, one by one?
Hindi, lahat. Ay, lera. Kaya masaya nga rito eh.
Picture. Oh, picture na! Picture na! Lahat!